Hi guys, so I hope you're having a great Tuesday, and I just wanted to let you know that I already have put together and shot this week's ZWOW. And when I was putting the workout together, I was thinking what would be fun. Um, I was thinking about including a new exercise that I've never done before, and also I was taking in consideration that you guys probably don't have much equipment, especially if you're somewhere on a vacation, and so you don't have to carry any equipment with you when you're doing this workout. So it's a bodyweight workout. You can use either jump rope or a belt or just a piece of string, and with that little piece of equipment that everyone has, we're gonna do a completely new exercise. I've never done this exercise before, and I have to tell you that it really killed my abs. It was such a great exercise for your abs, so I can't wait to hear your feedback on that. And so tomorrow you're gonna see the preview for the workout, and in the meantime the workout's gonna be edited so that it's nice and polished, but we're gonna post it on Thursday. So on Thursday, expect a new workout for this week, and I hope you guys gonna really like it. So that's it. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys on my Facebook because I'm posting on my Facebook all the time. So my Facebook page is Zuzka Light, and I'll see you there. Ciao.